I can remember things of my life like it was yesterday. I watch a lot of television shows, and I can relate to the characters on the screen wishing my life was theirs. When I watch these programs, I wonder what it'd be like if I was a surgeon in Grey's Anatomy, or a fashion designer on Jane by Design, or even a Dallas Cowboy cheerleader. Like Fame, I have big dreams, and this is where I start pain and sweat. I have so many things, so many talents, that I can't just pick one. This is just like my capstone literature review. I started thinking about how the transition from fifth grade to middle school to high school, and high school to college. In my opinion, teachers are not preparing the students for transition, like taking notes or how to take notes. When my son started high school last year, he entered a new program in Texas called Metro School of Design, in which the lessons were based on project based learning, and this is how I decided to do my literature review. I was trying to do so many things from motivation to engaging students. Now I have an understanding of what I wanted to accomplish by using the right assets to my problem that would be effective to my AR project, in which is providing note taking or study skills for preparing eighth graders for high school. Like Bell, I found that Bell, which stated even though 21st century schools were taking a new approach to learning, students were motivated because of the chance for collaboration that it offered. Mahalik and Doblet and Shan describe what was different about the system design approach utilizing project based learning. The students were able to use their own design and creativity to implement the project and learning process because the design process permitted students to ask their questions for investigation and design and their own experiments to investigate their ideas. This research guided my direction for my action research. I started to understand why eighth graders are intimidated and overwhelmed about attending high school. Mullen concluded that value of effectiveness and efficient learning through project-based learning engaged the students through problem-solving skills because the skills being taught were necessary to succeed in school and in life. Grant Donaldson indicated that inquiry and project-based learning shared the same basic features, show students different types of teaching and learning because teachers felt interested and their students feel like experts, especially with this type of method. During my master research project, I will have the 8th graders to use two Web 2.0 tools, and Emoto helps you create extraordinary videos from your your photos, video clips, words, and music. And Evernote, a digital notebook which you can put content efficiently and quickly. Grant and Branch indicated that project-based learning students were expected to examine problems and come up with their own solution by utilizing problem-solving skills in a project-based learning environment because the students would demonstrate the instructional strategies, assessment techniques, classroom management skills that incorporate student-centered learning with multiple represent of learning. Also, they'll be given an oral presentation because in the state of North Carolina and New Hanover County are required to do an oral presentation for graduation, a senior project. They would also do projects, oral presentation in front of peers and the community. I will also collect information from students in form of a questionnaire and survey to see how they feel about attending high school and what current study skills and note-taking skills they have. Project-based learning environments allow students to work in their preferred intelligence, collaborate with other students who have different learning strengths, develop greater students' responsibility in that personal learning with 21st century.